10 Psychological Facts about Social Media. Number 1. Social comparison. Constantly contrasting our own reality with that of others on social media can lead to emotions of inferiority, jealousy, and a bad self-image. Our tendency to idealize the lives of others while highlighting our own flaws can have an adverse effect on our self-esteem and general well-being. Number 2. Fear of missing out, FOMO. The fear of missing out can be made worse by seeing other people's posts about exciting events or accomplishments, which can lead to worry and a persistent urge to stay connected. FOMO can cause excessive social media checking, which feeds a cycle of unhappiness and anxiety. Number 3. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying can lead to severe mental pain, sadness, and even suicidal thoughts in the victims due to the anonymity and lack of face-to-face engagement that social media platforms can provide. Social media's widespread use can increase the effect and reach of such bullying. Number 4. Addiction and impulsive behavior. Social media sites' constant stream of notifications, likes, and comments can set off addictive behaviors, resulting in overuse and trouble resisting the impulse to check for updates all the time. Daily tasks, interpersonal connections, and general mental health can all be negatively impacted by this compulsive habit. Number 5. Distorted perception of reality. A mistaken impression of reality results from social media's frequent presentation of a filtered and idealized image of people's lives. Inadequacy, sadness, and the idea that others have ideal lives while one's own troubles are disguised can all result from comparing our own lives to these carefully curated images. Number 6. Decreased face-to-face interactions. The likelihood of having real-world social contacts decreases when people spend too much time on social media, because they could prefer virtual relationships to in-person ones. This can result in social disengagement, loneliness, and a loss of social skills, which are essential for preserving wholesome relationships and general well-being. Number 7. Social isolation. Although social media can foster virtual relationships, it may fall short of entirely satisfying the demand for meaningful and in-depth social interactions. Over-reliance on social media can lead to feelings of loneliness and a lack of real emotional support because online conversations frequently lack the closeness and depth of in-person relationships. Number 8. Sleep disruption. The stimulating material and blue light emitted by smartphones, together with social media use right before bed, might disrupt sleep cycles. In addition to having an adverse effect on one's physical and mental health, interrupted sleep can cause weariness, mood swings, and problems with focus and productivity. Number 9. Impacts on body image. Social media platforms are flooded with carefully selected, frequently modified photographs that uphold unattainable standards of beauty. As people seek to achieve unreachable ideals, repeated exposure to these pictures can lead to body dissatisfaction, low self-esteem, and the emergence of difficulties associated with body image, such as eating disorders. Number 10. Privacy and security concerns. On social networking platforms, sharing personal details and events carries inherent privacy and security risks. As a result of increased worry, anxiety, and a sense of vulnerability brought on by the fear of being watched, being hacked, or having personal information misused, users' mental health and faith in online platforms may suffer. In order to protect our mental health and general well-being, these points highlight some of the possible psychological repercussions of social media and emphasize the significance of utilizing these platforms responsibly and with awareness. It's crucial to understand that social media can affect mental health both favorably and unfavorably.